Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to segment your products in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, and from there you have to just simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, then click on enter, and after that you have to choose the first option from here, and when you are in the first option you have to just simply click on sign in or the start now button from here, and once you are there it will simply take you to log into your own account, and after that what you need to do is it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just click on the campaign option from the left hand side, and in the left hand side you have to just simply expand the campaigns, and from here you have to just simply click on campaigns again. In the campaigns option you will get lots of options from here, and here you have to get the click on the option of segment option from the top navigation bar. Here you can see the segment option, just simply click on it. After that it will simply take you to the segment option from here. Here you can see the non-time, click type, conversions, device, network, top versus others, ad destination, ad format. You can just segment your product by clicking on this each section by according to your preferences. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.